Hey guys, we have another brew underway, so I'm just doing the mash at the moment. I'm brewing up a green bullet lager, so a very simple recipe using New Zealand green bullet hops. So these are clocking in at 14.9% alpha acid, and I'm going to be fermenting with Novalager yeast. So this has been inspired by a beer I've been drinking a fair amount of over the last few months, and that's the Parrot Dog Brewery Lager. Just a very well made simple lager, and they use green bullet hops, so I thought I would have a go at doing one myself. So the grain bill's very simple. It's just over 94% Gladfield's light lager malt, and then just over 5% Carahell for mouthfeel and sort of head retention. So yeah, very simple. Hopefully it comes out nice and tasty. So we'll finish the mash off, just mashing at 66 degrees, and then we'll come back with a few more steps. Cheers guys. Okay, so the mash is finished. As you can see, I pulled the grain bag out, and we'll just sparge the grains, rinse all those sugars out, and we'll just get our pre-boil volume. So we'll continue to do that, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so the sparge is finished, and we've just started the boil. So just a 30-minute boil, and then we'll come back for the hop additions. Okay, so we're 10 minutes from the end of the boil, so I'm just adding in the bittering hop addition of the green bullet and the Whirfloc tablet. So I'm targeting around sort of 19-20 IBUs with this addition. So we'll let that do its thing for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we've finished the 10-minute addition, and I've dropped the temperature down to just under 80 degrees Celsius. And we're going to add in the remaining green bullet hops. So there's 35 grams here. For a little bit of a hop stand, get some hopefully get some nice flavour out of that. So we'll do that for 15 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we've finished the hop stand, and I'm just transferring into the fermenter through the hop spider just to capture all that hop debris, etc. So we'll do that, and I'll come back at the end with a bit of a wrap up. Cheers guys. Okay, so brew day is done and dusted, and I've pitched the Novalager yeast, so I'll ferment that as I have previously, using that yeast around 15 degrees Celsius, and then I'll raise it up to 21 towards the end of fermentation. I've taken a hydro sample straight off the or out of the boiler, so as you can see, quite a lot of debris there which has settled out nicely. And hopefully you can get a little bit of an idea of the colour, nice light straw colour. So it came out at 1041, and from previously using the Novalager, I know it'll finish about 1008, so that should give me a 4.3% ABV lager, which is sort of in the ballpark that I was looking for. Something nice and easy drinking, and hopefully tasty as well. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how the green bullet hops come through in the final beer, and hopefully as good or close to as good as the Parrot Dog beer I mentioned at the start of the video. I might even try and get one of those to do a side by side when I do the tasting video, just to compare the differences. So thanks for watching guys. I think I've covered everything. If you've got any questions, just sing out. Otherwise, we will see you in a week or so, and we'll do a tasting video. Cheers, over and out.